Hello my dear friends, in this video I'll show you my profit strategy and I'll tell you more about my team. So enjoy the video and we'll start. So here we are on the pocket option and we immediately start our trading session. Our balance is $16,672. We set the deal amount, the deal time in 1 minute. The deal amount $200. Today it will be such an easy trade. We trade on currency pairs. I demonstrated this to you. 4 currency pairs for today. 1 minute time frame and candlestick chart type. And today we will also be in a profit strategy. 2 indicators, these parameters. You can copy it. I personally selected the parameters with my team. I tested it a lot, so you can use it. And the second indicator, you can take everything from this. I'll tell you right away how to trade in practice, and you'll understand how to trade with me. So we go on first concept and we do some analysis. Some private information I'll tell you. So down deal we see general trend is downward. The last jump, so to say, we see right well. Certain area of consolidation, upper area, this highlighted by this indicator. The volume of candles pleasant by the second indicator. We see red bars, downward trend. So let's get back to my team. I started trading about 5 years ago with my channel where I answered questions. I traded with my team. I just traded on different brokers and thereby found people with whom I can trade. So I formed my environment, so to say, and we do my Telegram channel. And meantime, closed deals into plus. We did different strategies. We do more practice. So I did some trading career, so to say. We created different strategies, as I said. So we go down deal and we see downtrend. By chart we see one candle, red bars on the chart. On the screen we see, and we highlight this area support, and we return to my team. For just 2 years I traded almost alone, and after that I start to find different people who want to get some money. It was for the last 3 years, so we expanded our team. Oh, we see plus deal here. Good, great. So I'll get back to my team. Many people in my trading team, and we go on. So we'll absolutely different position. And about my Telegram and about my Telegram channel. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. My free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can copy manually or automatically by connecting to my social trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. If you need to make $50 or even more, $1,000 per day, join my Telegram group now then, and you'll find interesting stories of new buys and real results. The number of places is limited, so do not miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. You can find the link in the description to it. There are many useful information that we did with my team and I. There you can get some promo codes, some social trading about I said it in previous videos. And we go on to this second concept. And if you want to join our team, just let me know. We see up deal here, but the trend is downward. By accelerator, we see that we have to open a up trade. So I take my people to with my from my Telegram channel. We give some promo codes. So go to my Telegram channel. You find the link is in the description. So what we see here about my team also, my people can earn, even new buys can earn approximately from 100 to 2000, so it's very good. It depends on the person, of course, on the deals. So that's why I remind you, come to the Telegram channel. And we see some easy session today with my profit strategy that I developed with my team. I remind you about it. We see upward trend here on the chart. So I opened up deal, uptrend we see, by accelerator we see, down positions, down level, low level we'll see. This indicates that now there's the greatest probability of a reversal in our market. Some consolidation we see also. Unfortunately, it's not very stable. This is the average about how we can earn from 100 to 2000. Don't forget about it, that you can earn like me and my team. You'll find my videos in my Telegram channel or in this channel, my YouTube. So subscribe and just watch the video, or you can copy my trade, of course, by social trading. So I personally communicate with all of you. If you have any questions, you can also write me in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. And so what we see, by the way, you can subscribe to my YouTube and Telegram channel and see many useful information about trading sessions if you want to earn some money. And of course, like and comment. And you can also watch the videos. You can find this in my channel for new buys, of course. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.